Do you know that the most dangerous thing on earth is not death, is not Satan, is not disease, is not cancer, is neither COVID-19 or what have you? This enemy is dangerous, is more dangerous than Satan, than death. And what is it? It's ignorance. And what is the antidote to ignorance? Is knowledge, what you know. 2023 is running fast. In fact, we are in the second half of the year. And I tell you, maybe you've set some goals, you've not been able to achieve it. Lose not hope. I have something I want to share with you that will enable you to be more productive, to make the second half of this year your best year ever. I'm Apostle Anthony Josephat. I'm a pastor, an author, a leadership coach, and an immigration and digital transformation expert. The first half of the year have just gone by. We are in the second half. It's time to reflect. It's time to re-strategize. It's time to relaunch. I wanna, help you. I wanna show you how to make the second half of 2023 the best half. What I call 2023 second half challenge. 2023 second half challenge, to make the second half of this year the best half. We'll start from vision and dream, how to align, reignite, and recover your dreams, how to discover your purpose, how to set and execute goals, how to leverage digital transformation system to build a brand, build a business, or to monetize your giftings, how to use digital media and become influential and an authority and a highly sought out person in your field. I will also show you how to build a global business and brand. I will present all this to you. If it is something you think you'll be interested, you'll sign up and I'll work with you, mentor you, and you will be glad with it. For more information, call any of the number on the screen or visit our webpage. God bless you.